This is your boy Dorothée Awilo. Last year, I make a video concerning this Saxwè TikTok cast, and everybody come against me, do different video posts on different platforms to criticize me. But this is my proof.
Hanoni bukanga ile 2026 yenu. Banda mo abo ule hanoni atondo holo. Imelewe hana. Kwa bukanga ile 2026 yenu.
Mono gbe mi ludo fi. Omi la ke hen mi o chandu no na gato do photo.
You see, now they outside country to make money for their family. Now they quarrel. Now they use na pussy. Now they use na kweku. Now they use borumiato. Now they use them. They fight for TikTok. Abi, I don't get any problem with now. But my problem now they disgrace the community, Saxwè community. Now they disgrace her. These two guys waiting in a problem for TikTok. Now they get the TikTok for their family. Abi they get the TikTok for now. Now they use na sense. What fucking wrong with you? You guys are god diggers, crazy guys, and polyvar.
Fi Amandine. Omi ludo Ancien Testament be yo mi ludo mo. Me de mono gbe mi ludo fi. Omi la ke hen mi o chandu no na gato do photo papi me na we. Petit cricket. Omi la ke hen o du no na o gato e do lo na o tu mi o bo va gaga habona mi o 200 dinar. O lo yin tu ni bo so 300 va. Nko ron du da yi. No du po fun po. Ni bo so 300 va habo jo agbangban bo le bato en. Doto butu ina futulo po ina no tu 300 ha wi. Hendo futulo po me la bono jet agbado na oji e fian no to we ugan fanfan we open. Fanfan. E fian no to we ugan fan tampiko na eno sabono fu pen pam pum. E fian no to we ugan mo. E non tempo, e non duan gbon tintin no bon duan gbon gangan. O mi la ke eme na oru Oyi Arabu ene ku. Oyi Arabu ene ku olor.
Me pardonne. Menelo hanoni bukanga ile 2026 yenu. Banda mo abo ule hanoni atondo holo. Imelewe hana. Kwa bukanga ile 2026 yenu. Mele hawe ka bukanga ko iti. Mi ule lo. Mi ule mane yebe ha ko iti. Ek bukanga fi yo mi va ko no me. Me do ba wito ek bukanga mi va ko no. Balazo mi wengaji ek bukanga mi va ko no. Mi la na obomela ni to ye ino no botita.
Abeg, my Saxwè community, the TikTokers, we don't leave the TikTok for them, especially me. But if your friend gives you secret, say, hey, boy, see how they go. Girl, see how they go. Try to keep your friend, your brother, your people, keep their secret. Not be say any small quarrel, you go start to, the secret where she don't give you before, you go start to post her online. It's not working like that. That's not how they put it up for abeg. Men have solved this issue and stop disgrace your community. Now they disgrace Saxwè. Me donya Saxwè no. Me love donya Saxwè no. Saxwè TikTok ko jodora mi o, but me donya mi no.